Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Etsy listing variations. So if you want to give your customers the option of selecting from different colors or let's say different sizes, this is the perfect video for you. I'll be showing you how easy it is to add variations to your listings. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. So let's head over to my computer to get started. All right, so here we are on my Etsy store, and we're going to use an example today. Let's say that I sell different t-shirts of different colors and I want to add a listing variations of my different colors. You could do this for any particular product that you sell. It doesn't necessarily have to be a t-shirt. I'm just using this as an example. So if you sell products like these, like t-shirts, you could upload 4 images, 5. You could upload all 10 different colors if you do have a large variation of colors. So for the sake of this video, I'm only using 4 different colors. So I'm going to upload all of my photos for my actual t-shirts. Once I'm happy with uploading my images, you want to make sure that you fill out your entire listing description. So you're going to add your title, you're going to add your category, your size, your attributes, the product description here. And then you're going to go, once you fill out all of this, you're going to go all the way down to add variations. And you're going to click right here. Now from here, you're going to be able to choose the primary color. So I'm going to pick that one. And I'm going to add a second variation. So I'm going to add the size. Now from here, you're able to choose prices vary on each color. I particularly don't care if they buy a yellow or a black shirt. I want it to cost the same thing. However, I do want the price to vary for the actual size. So if they buy a small t-shirt versus a large, I do want them to pay more for the large. So I am going to click here because I do want my price to vary for the actual size, but I don't want it to vary for the color. Now you could add here quantities for each color if you want to, and you can also click here to add a SKU number for each color if you wanted to as well. The same goes with the sizes. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to keep it just one check mark right here. I'm going to go ahead and choose a scale. And from here, I'm going to add my colors. So I have a yellow t-shirt that I'm selling. I have a blue t-shirt. I have a black one. And I have a white one. So I have my 4 colors right here. For size, I'm going to do small, medium, and large. Now keep in mind when you're adding your colors, if your color doesn't show up in the list of recommended here, you can actually create a new option. And if the size that you offer, let's say you offer like an odd size, you can actually create a new option as well. So once you fill this out and you have the settings the way that you want it, you go ahead and click on save and continue. Now from here, you have the listing variations already set up. So I'm going to go ahead and do my pricing. So the small, I want it to be $12.99. The medium, I want it to be $14.99. And the large, I want it to be $17.99. And I'm happy with the pricing here. Now I'm going to go ahead and link my photos to the actual colors. Because what I want is that when people are browsing my actual listing and they click on the drop-down menu and they click on the yellow, I want the yellow shirt to pop up. Or if they click on black color, I want the black shirt to pop up. So I'm going to go ahead and link my photos. And I'm going to do it by color. So yellow with yellow, obviously. Blue with blue. Black with black. And then white with white. Make sure that these all match correctly and save. Once I'm happy and I add my shipping, add all my information, I'm going to go ahead and publish this. So this is my actual listing now. So when people are shopping on my Etsy store, if they select the color here and they do the blue photo will pop up. If they click on white, the white photo will show black, the black photo will show up. And if they click on white, the white one will show up. And then from here, they could pick the size that they want. So they could do small for $12.99. They could do medium for $14.99, or they could do the large for $17.99. But this is how simple it is to add listing variations to your products and services that you sell on Etsy. If you have any questions about this video, make sure that you leave a comment below. If you found value on it, please like it and share it on your favorite platform. And thank you so much for watching.